understand why God emphasized the purity of my heart from the very first day I accepted Jesus as my Lord. As I grew older and began to understand some patterns in my bloodline and the things that had occurred throughout my family's history, it all started to make sense. I realized that I have to be intentional about guarding my heart. I pray for it with intentionality because I know it can betray me. It can deceive me. It can work against God's purpose for my life if I allow it to. But when my heart is surrendered to God and kept in the right condition, it works with me rather than against me. It becomes a fertile ground for God's will, His character, and His purposes. That's why I believe